Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the REDTIGER dash cam, and on the right, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important feature of any dash cam: video quality. The REDTIGER dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability. That's right, folks, it can capture Ultra HD 4K resolution for crystal clear footage. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam offers smooth 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. While it may not reach the 4K level, it still delivers excellent video quality. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The REDTIGER dash cam shines bright with its excellent optical lens and ultra-large f1.5 aperture. With HDR/WDR technology, it captures important details even in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam also impresses with its f1.8 big aperture and wide dynamic range. It ensures color precision and clarity day or night. Alright, let's dig into the extra features that set these dash cams apart. The REDTIGER dash cam comes with Wi-Fi and a smart app control. You can connect it to your smartphone and use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage the dash cam. It even has built-in GPS to track your driving route and provide additional evidence if needed. On the flip side, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam offers a unique triple-channel system. It captures video from the front, rear, and cabin of your car, providing all-round protection. Plus, it has a hidden design that won't distract you while driving. Alright, folks, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: price. The REDTIGER dash cam comes in at $198, while the Galphi 3-channel dash cam is a steal at just $99. The REDTIGER dash cam has received positive reviews for its cutting-edge technology, exceptional video quality, advanced features, and user-friendly interface. Customers highly recommend contacting REDTIGER for any issues and praise their professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam has been praised for its clear imaging, ease of installation, and affordable price. Some customers have noted minor issues with the mount, but overall are satisfied with their purchase. And that concludes our showdown between the REDTIGER dash cam and the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. Both of these products have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember, folks, always do your research and compare products before making a purchase. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, the channel that's got your back when it comes to making smart buying decisions. See you next time.